If you're trying to choose between Xfinity Mobile and T-Mobile, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong. They assume both carriers are very similar, but the surprising truth is that coverage, pricing, and plan structure can make one a much better fit depending on your needs. Let's start with Xfinity Mobile. Xfinity Mobile runs on Verizon's network, which means it offers wide coverage across urban, suburban, and rural areas. Plans are flexible. You can choose unlimited data or pay for only what you use with the by the gig option. If you're already an Xfinity Internet customer, you also get extra perks like discounted device financing and free access to millions of Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots. The downside is that non-Xfinity Internet users don't get those perks, and the pricing for unlimited data can be slightly higher than T-Mobile in some cases. Now, T-Mobile is known for its fast 5G network and strong urban coverage. Its plans are straightforward, usually including taxes and fees, unlimited talk, and text and data options that suit heavy users. T-Mobile also offers perks like Netflix bundles on family plans and free international texting and data in over 210 countries. One drawback is that coverage can be spotty in some rural areas, so it's worth checking the coverage map if you travel often outside cities. So, which is better? If coverage in rural areas and access to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots matter most, Xfinity Mobile could be the better choice. If you want fast 5G speeds, easy to understand unlimited plans, and extra perks like Netflix, T-Mobile is likely your winner. In conclusion, both carriers have strengths, and the right choice depends on where you live, your data usage, and whether you want extra perks. If this comparison helped you decide between Xfinity Mobile and T-Mobile, subscribe for more honest mobile carrier reviews and tips to save on your phone bill.